Randy here with Randy Repairs It. Temu messed up and it benefits me. So I had ordered I order a lot of like little household supplies like Q-tips and, you know, flossers, things like that from Temu because it's cheap and you get them in bulk. And if I'm not in a big hurry for it, you know, why not save a little money? But they messed up on the delivery, and the delivery guy said he couldn't find my address, right? And I get a lot of stuff from Temu and Amazon and eBay even, and they never have a problem finding my address here. So I said, hey, you know, I got on the app and I confirmed my address, and they ended up sending the stuff back. I was like, okay, no big deal. It was like 20 euros worth of stuff, which is their minimum order. So it was a minimum order, you know, 22 euros, I don't remember. So they gave me a refund on that. I was like, okay, whatever, cool. And next thing I know, I get an email from Temu and they said, you have 163 euro credit. And you know how they play a game usually where you have to spend 1,000 euros to get, you know, 50 euros off or whatever. So I thought that's what it was. I kind of ignored it. But one day I'm scrolling through and sure enough, it shows I have a credit. Like no matter what I put in the cart, it took that out. So anyway, long story short, I ended up getting a tool cart for the shop, and I got a shelf for the utility room. So I'm gonna put this together in this video, and we'll see if this thing's a total piece of crap or not. But it was free, so I can't complain. All right, so you guys have seen me put stuff together before. Let me get it all out and separated. Let's see how many parts this is gonna entail. I'm more concerned about the little screws it's gonna entail. Get that out of the way. Right. So it's a thin metal. Let's see what it might be hard to measure because it's got this little lip on the inside, but let's see if I can get on it. So it's about 1.5 millimeters thick. So it's not real thick, but then again, it doesn't really have to be. This is a fairly light duty tool cart, and I mean, it's got, I don't know if it's gonna, you know, when it gets together, I don't know if that's supposed to be welded or if it's, no, it's just bent. It's just bent into place. So we'll see what happens when I get them all. Let's get them all unwrapped. I'm not sure what's going on here. You see this? You see the, I don't know what those are, paint runs. It looks like a bird took a dump in it. And I think these are only about 40-ish euros on their own. It's not a really expensive tool cart. All right, let's look at the hardware. Okay, we got some casters, big bag of hardware, and a handle, and that's it. All right, throw that out of the way. The handle's not too bad. It's all plastic. That's aluminum, I think. That's aluminum. And then this plastic. small casters, which are fine, and then the hardware kit. Let's see how hard this is going to be to put together. That is a lot of bolts and nuts. Okay. All right. And are they all the same size? No, they are not. Oh boy. Okay. They're Phillips head. Okay, well let's separate them all out real quick. I have a love-hate relationship with Temu. I really hate depending on a Chinese company like that for the things that I need. But like I've said before in other videos, unfortunately where I live here in Italy, it's not easy to get or to find the things that I'd prefer to have at a fair price. I should add that too, because it's mainly a rural farming community I live in. It's not always easy to find stuff that's affordable. And Amazon, what I found with Amazon, and you guys can leave me a comment if you agree or disagree. What I found here anyway for Amazon IT is that most of the stuff that's sold on Amazon was bought from Temu or came from the same factory. It's just double the price. So if you wait for it, if you just wait the 3 or 4 or 5 weeks, sometimes a couple of months, depending on what it is, but you just wait, you'll save a ton of money. Okay, let's see what it says here. Install the 4 casters first. That's going to be on this one here, because it's the only tray that's got holes in the bottom of it. I think I laid this all out wrong, didn't I? I do it this way, okay. The assembly instructions are in English, and it's in proper English. Install 4 casters firstly, somewhat proper English. Install 3 columns, install intermediate tray, install 4th column, install top tray, install the handlebar. 6 steps, should go pretty quick. Yeah. Right, I don't know what happened there. Camera just shut off. Step 2, install 3 columns. So we're gonna do that. It's got this one here open, so we'll do it the way it's showing. This is oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay. going to put the messed up one in the middle. It's going to take the most abuse, I think, anyway. I'm thinking we start a screw in each corner here and just get it to hold. Hopefully it doesn't drop that out. Okay, there's one. Get one over here. And I'm not tightening these down yet. Okay, now I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Let me pop one over here so we know we're going to be good on this side too. That's what I was hoping would happen. So these holes were off just a hair on this side, yeah, they sort of lined up. All right, let's see what the easiest way to do this one is going to be. It's going to be just to do it like so. Let's see here. Almost out of screws, which is good. It's not a complicated build. We'll go around and tighten all these. Now, I did the bottom first because these don't line up. So we need to be able to adjust. And it's the top one that's out, it looks like. So these are going to go in the middle, they're going to drop right in. Put the handle on. I probably had it the right way to show you guys that. need 2 of the nuts for that, maybe. So you get a little bit extra, a little bit of extra hardware. All right. Yep. Longer bolt on this. Having technical issues here. Can't see it. See if you guys can see. There we go. It helps that I'm ambidextrous. Don't really think much about it, just do it. Okay. Then these little caps that go over, make it look pretty. And we have a completed tool cart that will fit. Oh, yeah, look at that. Right under there. Okay. That way, though. Cool beans. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.